Soba set noodle complete. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am about to get ready to head out to a speakeasy bar. There's gonna be live music, so I'm pretty excited. And I also never really go out during the weekdays, but I'm going to make an effort this year to kind of visit more places in London and stop being lazy now that things have opened up. I'm wearing a long sleeve t-shirt, some slacks, and I'm ready to go.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cup my tea. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
For lunch today, I'm gonna have some Bolognese on toast, and I'm also gonna stir fry some Padron peppers. Just parked our car and we are at Bicester Village today. I wonder how much damage is going to be done to our wallets today.
Let's drink up, your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me.
We're at Pret now and we're having a quick lunch break. And this Pret is massive. Ian's having mac and cheese and a meatball sub. And I'm having a salad. So that's all the stuff that I bought from Bicester. I'm happy overall. I also like that I can layer everything. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival! We're heading over to Ian's house to have dinner with his family, and we're gonna have some delicious Chinese food.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing.
Dinner today is going to be enoki mushroom pancakes and Buldak Ramen.
Things are gonna go